Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the weekly forecast as well as precipitation outlook. Also, we're going to be looking at the possibility for accumulating snow this weekend. So, going through today, looking for some strong gusty winds as high pressure starts to move into the area. The weather should remain nice throughout the rest of the day as clouds start to break, but temps still remain cold with highs only being in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Getting into tonight, a few flurries cannot be ruled out, but skies should remain clear for the most part, with temps getting down into the lower 30s. Tomorrow will remain much of the same, but temperatures will get much warmer with highs in the low to mid 50s expected, and clouds will start to push back into the area. Lows are expected to be in the low 30s, and clouds should keep those temperatures around the upper part of the lower 30s. Friday, showers and rain are expected to move in. Showers and rain is expected to move in to the area. Temperatures should stick into the mid to upper 40s as a cold front starts to approach. Temperatures at night will drop off into the upper 30s in many areas, but it could also drop down into the mid 30s in the valleys, and this will happen as rain continues and potentially in the valleys. That rain could change over to a mix or even snow. Saturday, more rain is expected, and then in the afternoon and evening, that may change over from rain to a mix and then maybe over to all snow. At night, there will be a mix at night, becoming all snow after midnight potentially. Temperatures will be into the lower 30s to upper 20s, and that should be cold enough for the snow to start to stick. I am currently looking at this storm, and I'm thinking it's going to bring around a quarter to 0.65 inches of rain and up to an inch of snow. This could be our first accumulating snow of the season, and I'm going to keep everybody posted. And if you want to know more, just stay tuned, and I will have more on the storm that's upcoming in the second half of the video. Sunday, we could begin with some snow, but partly cloudy skies will ultimately prevail by midday, and highs will reach the upper 30s. Sunday night, clearing and cold with temperatures into the mid to upper 20s. Monday, skies should be clear. Temps will remain cold with highs only getting into the upper 30s to lower 40s. Monday night, clear and cold with lows in the upper 20s. Tuesday, a bit warmer with temps in the low 40s and clouds beginning to return. Then finally, Tuesday night, partly cloudy skies with cold temps and lows in the low 30s. Now I want to take a look at the storm that is expected to affect the region from Friday into Sunday morning. I will not have a full forecast out on this storm until probably late tomorrow because there's still lots of disagreements between the different forecast models. First, I got the GFS forecast model, and at about midnight Friday, there is no precipitation currently entering the area. Then by about 6 a.m. Friday, the rain starts to push in. 6 a.m. Saturday, the rain starts to push into the region. Next frame, about 6 hours later, snow will start to pick up in parts of the Appalachian Mountains, but nowhere where we are. And then in the next several frames following, the storm starts to push off the coast, bringing the rain with it. Now I've got the European model, and this starts at about midday Friday. Precipitation starts to push through the Ohio Valley. Then in this current frame, the rain starts to move into Pennsylvania, and some may be heavy, but it should be moderate to light rain. And then in the frames following, a low pressure system starts to form in the Carolinas, and then that stuff starts to push off the coast, but it will start going mainly north, bringing some very, very heavy precipitation, potentially very heavy snow to interior parts of New England. Finally, I have the Canadian model, and it's starting about midday Friday with some rain starting to push into the region. Then in the next frame, there's even more precipitation with Then the following 2 frames, a low starts to form and it pushes off the coast, just leaving the mainland United States and really not causing any major effects to any of the United States. Now, as you noticed in all of these different forecast models I showed you, there was not any snow forecast with any of these models. But many of the major weather networks, the Weather Channel, National Weather Service, AccuWeather, they are all expecting some snow Friday through Sunday across a lot of the interior Northeast. So I'm leaning towards saying that with them, where I expect some snowfall, especially on the backside of the system. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please press the like button. If you don't want to miss another video that I put out, please press the subscribe button and you won't miss any of my new uploads. Well, everybody, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your week.